Hello guys and welcome back to GhostTech. Today we will learn about advanced text editing on Filmora. So, we gonna add a simple text on the timeline. Double click on it to edit. And click advanced. This is your working area. On the left side, you can add a quick simple text or a 3D text. Here you can add as simple shapes as you want. Then you can upload a photo here. Down here you can arrange the medias as you want like this. You can also delete them if you don't want. You have fonts here to choose. Also the size of the font. Here you can switch text horizontally or vertically. You can bold and italic text here. Text alignment, text height and text space. Here you can arrange objects as you want. Then you have text options on the right side as you see. Text styles and text animation here. Also you have photo animation. If we click this eye here, you can hide your object if you don't want to see while are you working. This is how it looks simple. That's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more.